Speaking of surface mounted light, for this one, the color is round in shape. And for this one, the color is just like diamond shape. There is something like stars on it. You can see, like stars. For this model, we can choose different lights by switch on the wall. This light is warm light. This one is daylight. Warm light. Neutral light. It's night light. We can also use a remote control to choose night light, turn on, turn off. The brightness, dimmable, more and more bright, more and more dark. And for the color temperature, it can increase, decrease, and then we can choose different lights. So, turn off, turn on, more and more dark, more and more bright. And for the color temperature, it can decrease. It can increase. We can choose different lights. This daylight, warm light, neutral light. We can choose night light.